In today's video, we're going to be looking at minimizing and maximizing shortcuts on Windows 10. These shortcuts are helpful for if you want your window to cover the entire screen. So if we have a window open like this, for example, our website on Microsoft Edge, we can press the Windows key and up to fully maximize the screen. If we press the Windows key and the down key, then it'll minimize it to its original state. Pressing Windows key and left will bring it full on the left and suggest any applications that you'd like. As you can see here, I've got my emails and a previous browser page, and pressing it to the right will fill it into the right. Pressing the Windows key and the down key will bring the screen down there, and pressing any other direction will bring it into that direction. Finally, if we press the Windows key and the down key, it will minimize the screen. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.